Hi! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Pro X, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Then you need to click on Apps section over here and tap on Default Apps. Now tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Calendar. Over here, just tap on an app that you wish to set up as your default one, in this case Outlook, and tap on OK in the pop-up to save your changes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!